Hi everybody, it's me Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the Artsnacks box from December 2020. Still running a little bit behind, but we are quickly and surely going to catch up. As always, we got our cute little Artsnacks logo sticker. For December, we appropriately got a cute little candy cane. The first piece of actual art supplies is a graphite alcohol-based twin tip marker. This is a brush and fine liner. It is normally $5.29 retail. Designed specifically for illustrators, the graphite alcohol-based twin tip marker features a long responsive brush nib and an extra fine calibrated 0.5mm nib. The bright ink can be refilled and comes in 96 different colors. Which one did you get? I got a reddish-based purple color. Let me know which color you guys got in that comment section down below. This marker flowed really easily. I enjoy the brush tip, but I especially like the really fine tip on the other side. Seems like a great color for lining because it is a darker reddish purple. The second item we have is a Kuretake Zig Clean Color F double-ended marker. This one is normally $2.30 retail price. Experience vibrant, pristine color with the Kuretake Zig Clean Color F double-ended marker. Perfect for quick sketches and illustrations. This marker features two different nibs, a fine 0.5mm tip and a larger 1.2mm tip. The water-based dye ink can even be fanned out with a wet brush. For this one, I got a sky blue color. I also like this marker. I've used a lot of these kind of markers before. They're usually pretty good. We also got some Derwent paint pens in this box. They are normally $3.48 retail price each. This is a staff favorite. Color is impressed with the Derwent paint pens. Water soluble when wet but permanent once dry. You can create a variety of unique effects with these pens. The opaque pigment ink flows from a fine 0.5mm tip and offers immense depth of color even on dark paper. You'll find two colors in your box this month, so try out some blending and layering techniques. I got a mint green and a really deep dark red. So far I'm enjoying the colors that I got. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use them all together as of yet, but we will eventually figure that out. I really enjoy how opaque these Derwent paint pens are, and once you get the paint actually flowing through them, they work very well. The final two items we have are some Royal Talens Ecoline brush pens. These are normally $3.29 retail each. Meet one of the most impressive brush pens ever, the Royal Talens Ecoline brush pen. Full of liquid watercolor, these pens deliver brilliant transparent color that will liven up your artwork. Easily make precise lines or energetic strokes with the flexible yet sturdy nib. I got a light pink and a dark purple for this. I really like everything that came in this box so far. I'm interested to see how everything works together in a future video. But with that, this unboxing, these swatches, and therefore this video are pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to let me know how you felt about the items in the December 2020 Artsnacks box, let me know all about that in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!